Hi everyone, this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a double crochet foundation chain. So start with your slip knot, and then you're going to chain 3. Yarn it over and go into that very first chain that you made and bring up a loop. Normally for a double crochet you would yarn over, pull through those 2, yarn over, and then pull through the next 2. But here we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, making your chain space, yarn it over, pull through your 2, yarn it over, pull through your 2. So I'm bringing this up closer. That was your first pull through, your second pull through. Well, that was your first. The chain space was your first pull through, second pull through, third pull through. So we're going to go into that one right here. So yarn it over, go into that chain space you made. Yarn it over, make another chain space. Yarn it over, and then make your double crochet. And bring that up again. So the 2 that you pulled through, 2 that you pulled through, your chain space. Do it one more time for you. Make your chain space here, yarn it over, pull through your 2, and pull through your 2. And then you just need to keep making sure you have your 2 here, the 2 you made here, and then your chain space here. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. And don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and do one more just for fun. Thanks for watching, everyone.